Friend+Me. This one is really interesting names. I'll provide the link of this website in the description, so you can come and you can check everything here. It's a content management software. Same, it work in the same way as others. You can able to read everything that how you're going to use this software. It will provide you schedule your social media content in different platform. As you can see, you can do it from Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest, and you can able to create contents. Like they have a inbuilt editors which help you to create content as per your brand, which you can use it. And if you are starting up, I would recommend that you have to test all these content management software, which has amazing feature, perform in the same way. You can read more about it, like if you want to get SEO benefits or cross promotion workflow, they do have those features as well, so you can do it very easily. But more or less it help you to manage your content across all the social media platforms, so you can use in this way. You can read it here, you can check the pricing, everything, you can do it.